Thank you very much. I am really very much feel proud that I am here. For the last 3 years, CMA was inviting me. I could not attend. So this year I could attend. That is the
Thank you, sir.
thing. From the profile of the applicants as well as the awardees, you could understand that it was very difficult for us to get the marks. Actually, all our awardees, but as a jury, we could manage to give 15 plus 2, I think 17. So my congratulations to all the award winners. Thank you very much.
May I now request Mr. Rajat Kumar Prusty to kindly come up on stage, our next jury member, and we'll again felicitate him with a very small token of our appreciation. It's nothing compared to the efforts that they have given. Thanks a lot, sir, for giving your time. Sir, a few words?
Thank you, everyone. Good evening to all. And as rightly said by Mitra sir, it was very difficult to really to be a jury member to evaluate, because I could see that everyone has put his best efforts to excel in their area of operations and the business. So we could really found that yes, I can say that the innovations, the sustainability, and also the areas of digitalization, or you can say that the way things are developing both in social sector and in urban areas, and many I could see the areas where people have not thought of it also they have done. And I think I would like to congratulate everyone who have participated for this award, and special congratulations go to those 17 numbers for MSME who got this award. Excellent, and thank you to everyone for participating, and thank you Indranil sir, Anirban ji, for creating this platform for participation and really helping each and everyone, or the person who are coming as a new startup. For them also this is a guiding force for coming to a excelling in this journey. Thank you everyone.